Hey guys, today we are at Coronado Springs Destino Tower. So when we first walk in, we have a nice area here for a stroller or luggage or other things. And immediately when you walk in, we have a nice big barn door that goes to the restroom. And directly into the restroom, we have the double vanity. Some storage down there. Nice big mirror. Close-up view. And then the shower, it's just a shower. A nice design to it. Also has that nice rainfall shower head. So right before you walk into the room, you have a closet. Then you walk in. This is a king bed. And I do have a standard view room. And even though it's standard view, I feel like I got a really cool view seal, even though the parking lot's there. Still a really nice view. There's Hollywood Studios out there. You can actually see Tower of Terror out in the distance. And right across from the bed, we have the TV on the wall, desk area. Here you have your Keurig machine. Ice bucket, glassware, shelf for stuff, and then right under it's a small fridge. Actually, the first fridge I've seen that has a glass door. You've seen it? It's right in there. We have 3 drawers for storage. A small bench. And let me show you guys the closet. So as the closet we saw earlier, we have the extra pillow and blanket, some hangers, and safe. Ironing board, and the iron is down there. Those are soft clothes. So, all right guys, so that's it for Destino Tower.